Hey, good morning. Welcome to the JeepSolid garage. Today we're going to be installing a set of the EAG Tube Doors. I really like the look of these half doors. I want to take my full doors off of my Project OJ here. I'm going to run these all spring and summer long. We're going to install these, check out the durability, give you my opinion of their review. Let's get started. I'm going to start out by installing the driver's side real quick, then I'm going to take you guys through a super fast step-by-step of installing the passenger side. Can't wait to see how these look. So that actually went way easier than I was prepared for. That's always nice when a project goes easier than you're expecting. So let me show you the steps on the passenger side door now. And I want to give a quick shout out to Top Done Battery Jump Starter. They are the sponsor of today's video. If you don't carry a jump starter in your vehicle, I highly recommend it. I carry jump starters in a couple of my other vehicles. These are so handy. You don't need another vehicle to jump start yourself. It's simple, turn on, plug and play, hook it up to your battery, and you can jump start your own vehicle. You're not fumbling with cables. You don't need somebody else to jump start you. This also has a nice little flashlight on it. These little jump starters have saved me numerous times. Thank you, Top Done, for sponsoring this video. This product will be linked in the description below. First step, obviously lift off our old door. We're gonna take the old striker out. And we're gonna keep the original washers here, get rid of this old striker. Take our new striker and thread it in. There's a couple of rivets that hold this backing plate in place, but mine are broken off. So the other side, I actually didn't have to do this. The other side was intact. This side, I'm just trying to get it. Oh, I wonder if I could hold it with a magnet on one of those rivets. All right, it's barely hanging on by those magnets. Let's see if I can gently get this started. All I gotta do is get this started and we're home free. Okay, a couple tries here and I finally got it. We're home free now. Now before I tighten this all the way up, we're gonna actually hang the door because I need this striker, I think, pushed all the way in to get a tight fit. Cool, next we can hang the door. And there's a few adjustments we can make so that the door doesn't rattle. We want it fitting nice and tight. There's two little Allen bolts right here. And you can move this latch forward and back to make sure it's snugged up nicely against this rubber pad. And then also your striker. My striker, I need to push all the way in towards the seat there. And so I'm gonna do that and tighten that down. And then the side mirror mounts on fairly easily, just with 4 little bolts. So I'm really liking the look of these doors. Those are gonna be awesome to run all summer long. A few things I had to do. I did have to take off the bottom hinge here a little bit and tweak that just to get it to line up just right. I will be sure to include a link in the description below of these exact doors if you wanna run these on your Jeep as well. But boy, I think that does look great. The installation overall, if I had to give it a rating of 1 to 5, I'd give it 1 busted knuckle. It was super easy. Just had to take off that one latch and then drop the door in place, put the new latch on, the mirror on. That's about it. The handle here works pretty easy, nice and smooth. A little bit of adjustment right here where you can slide it in and out. Nice rubber bumper there. Locks up nice, and you just want to adjust it so that you don't get any rattle. But yeah, overall, great door. It's a nice powder-coated heavy gauge steel, not flimsy by any means. And yeah, overall, I think it gives my Jeep a great look. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out my next video right up here, and have a good day.